Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust time settings for your Vivax LED TV TV-32LE112T2. So in order to do this, you'll need to click on the menu button on your pilot. Now navigate to the right to find the clock settings. Here you can adjust the time for your TV. Back, change your time zone. Change the sleep timer, so that means on how long your TV will work when it's idle. Auto standby, so it will auto sleep your TV after this time. And OSD timer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.